In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Klaviyo. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here to the klaviyo.com, which is their website. Head over and input right here the email address that you wish to use for your Klaviyo, and after that, head over and click onto this sign up form. Once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to actually access your account. Since I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this login option. Now here is my Klaviyo dashboard. In order to create a newsletter, we need to head over and click on this left sidebar right here, and in here we can see the campaigns option. Let's click on this, and after that, just head over and choose between guiding or building your own. I'll choose building my own campaign, and you can choose in here your campaign name. So for example, let's just name this email campaign 2025. Input right here the draft name, as well as the type that you want. It can be a campaign for email, text messaging, as well as push. Since we will be creating an actual newsletter, let's choose email. And also choosing here the campaign tags. Click on continue once you're done. Then after that, this will open in here this campaign. You can choose in here which you can actually send it with. So for example, let's send it into our new subscribers. And you can also input right here the tracking. Click on next. And then after that, you can choose in here how your newsletter will look like. You can choose between templates that you have saved, and you can also choose in here from the email library itself. So for example, let's choose in here this right there. Let's choose this cookie. Just click on this use template. Then after that, this will load in order to help us or get us to use this template. So once you have opened this, you can actually edit that template. Proceed to edit the template according to your liking. So just edit it, add some elements as well as blocks, head over and click on next, and then proceed to publish this newsletter that you have created. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.